In this GAT Labs video, we'll be going over GAT Shield's login control and event section that allows admins to control the login activity of the end users. Before looking at any events, you must first set up the login control to your needs. In the GAT Shield tool, navigate to Configuration and then Login Control. Here you can set the login time windows, set a login area to prevent devices outside of the area from logging in, set idle timeouts, set whether or not the logout should be soft or hard, which decides whether the user is logged out entirely from the device. You can also set allow lists and exclusions. And finally, select your scope, who will be affected by the login control. To view any login control events that have been triggered by a user, navigate to the Audit section and select Login Control Events. Here you can view the details of the user and the reason for the event. With the Actions icon, you can view the user info and device info. That covers this GAT Shield How To. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.